Greetings, fellow Ukrainians. Last time I talked about ballistic armor, and I forgot to mention a couple of details regarding soft Kevlar armor. Usually, most manufacturers will offer a 3 to 5 year ballistic warranty for the soft Kevlar armor. What does this mean? Well, the 3-year period is given if you use the Kevlar armor. So let's say you insert it in a plate carrier and go to the battlefield. So that is usage. You're using the Kevlar armor. Therefore, you'll have a 3-year warranty, ballistic warranty. What does this 3-year ballistic warranty really mean? Long story short, if you're wearing the Kevlar and the bullet passes through, the manufacturer will be held responsible. It's the same thing in the case of the 5-year warranty. Regarding the 5-year warranty, well, that's given by the producers, by the manufacturers, if you decide to keep the Kevlar and not use it. While deposited, the soft Kevlar armor will have a 5-year warranty. So keep this in mind every time you are buying soft Kevlar armor. And the most important thing to remember is how to properly preserve the Kevlar soft armor. Well, there are 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, keep it out of direct sunlight. Number 2, don't get it wet. And number 3, don't get it in contact with the body sweat. Thus, by doing so, I assure you that the soft Kevlar body armor will keep its bullet stopping capabilities for a very long period of time. Until next time, I'm Broadheader, and thank you very much for watching. God bless, and good luck kicking those Russians' ass.